I got my buddy Dozer back out here with me. As you see, once again, he's not much help, but always good company. Today on Toyota and Dodge Garage, I'm gonna put a factory skid plate on my truck, and it's right here. Dozer is showing it to us. Today my goal is to go to a local hardware store and get a couple bolts I need, about 7 I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and crawl up under old Yeller over there. Come with me and we'll see what kind of bolts we're gonna need. Let's go see. So, we're gonna need one bolt here, another one here, and we got this cross member for the transmission. Gonna need one here, and one in the center, and one on this other end, and then got this hole here and here, and that's all. You just gotta go get some bolts. I've got all the new hardware ready for the skid plate to go on, so let's get to it. So I just soaked the bolts down, and I'm gonna let them soak a little while. Sprayed them with some WD-40. We'll see if that works. If not, then I'll just break out the PB blaster till we can get these off. Well, gotta take this bolt out, and it is in there. I have tried the impact, it won't get it. But I just gotta get this bolt out right here, and the other one on that side. And I almost had it in, but I'll have to break out some more tools, see what I can do to get this thing on. But the jack stands definitely help. Wow.
Dude, that's why this thing right here, boy, it just made life good. Because yours would probably do this part. All right, brother, you got a skid plate,
It's
man.
on.
You got a skid plate, bro. Look at the move, look at the move.